Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Xander from Fun King 3D, and you are watching Xander's Thing Thursday. As some of you may know, I have a gaming YouTube channel called Pegleg Paul. My dad will put a link to it right here. And this model ties in because this is a Minecraft creeper.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
This model is really cool. Let me show it to you up close. This model prints in two parts, the body and the head, but I'll tell you a bit more about that in a minute. This was printed in 100% scale in Hatchbox glow-in-the-dark PLA on the AM8 with a 215-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. Again, this was printed at 100%, which is why I printed another one at 300%, just like my second YouTube channel, which is 300%, linked right here. This model is super easy to print. It is the Minecraft Creeper by mikeaj on Thingiverse. There will be a link to it in the description below. Just like this link right here to my other YouTube channel. This model is in two parts. The body and the head. And the square peg goes into the square hole just like this. I'm going to use some 3D glue to put them together so that they never come apart. Now that he's glued together, I don't have to worry about him coming apart anymore. As I mentioned earlier, this was printed in Hatchbox glow-in-the-dark PLA, which looks like this in the dark. This looks really cool, and I think it turned out well. Thank you for tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. Real quick, please do check out and subscribe to my other YouTube channel, Pegleg Paul. There will be a link to it in the description below. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications, and a thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, keep plundering. Print on. Hey everyone, so what did the policeman say to his belly button? You're under a vest. Why does he talk to the belly button?